What's up guys, Louis here. Hope all of you are doing great today. It's Friday, it's almost weekend, so I hope all of you are in a great mood. I certainly am. Today we finished renovating our small little bachelor's flat. We're about 99% done, so there's a few small things that we still need to finish, but it's basically done. We took a few photos to show to the rental agency, so it's basically going on the market. If you appreciate the effort that I put into videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel or giving this video a thumbs up. So with that said, I'm going to show you guys a bit of B-roll of the flat, what we've done and what the end product looks like. I'm going to do a voiceover in the background so you don't have to see my face the whole time. But with that said, let's jump into it. So I started removing the Novilon floor that had carpet on it. This was definitely a tiresome process. I also decided to remove the large cupboard in the living room area. There's two cupboards, so luckily we got back a lot of space by removing one of them. We had a few oaks help us remove the rubbish, and suddenly we started making progress. This is one of my friends that helped me clean the wall to prep it for some patchwork, and believe me, there was a lot of patchwork. I decided to tile the living room as well as the bathroom, and this was by far the most expensive. Again, we did a lot of patchwork, but luckily it turned out pretty good. I decided to go with a warm grey and a midnight charcoal colour that we used for the feature wall. We replaced all of the light fixtures and the wall plugs, and this definitely gives the place a new feel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was definitely something that was really fun for me. There's another flat that we recently purchased where I basically got a few guys to help me out. It definitely made the process much quicker and much easier. The purpose of this renovation was to do a rental grade renovation, so it's definitely not the fanciest or the best flat out there, but I feel that someone that will live here will really enjoy staying here. They will be safe, they will have the feeling of a new home, and hopefully that makes everything worth the effort. With that said guys, I'll see you in the next video.